When I get home, I'm going to look forward to dancing on the tables again. Well, this is what I tell people when I'm being wheelchaired around and with a stick, and you think, oh dear, this is not me. And, I say, they promise that I'm going to be dancing on the tables again in a couple of weeks. I needed a hip replacement because I have arthritis, and I was warned at the time that I'd probably need both hips to be done. So the first one was done 13 months ago, and this time I've just had the other one done. And it's been the same speedy procedure. They get me up and walking within a few hours, and you think, oh my God, how am I going to do this? But actually the physiotherapists are wonderful, absolutely wonderful. They said my muscles were in great shape, so I was ready for the operation, and I seem to be recovering very well. The amazing thing is that being here, by day 2, people seem to know who I am. And I pass people in the corridor and they say, hi, Miss Patricia. And I'm going, who's that? But it really is wonderful. The nurses, the doctors, they all tell you very clearly what's going to happen to you before they do it. They take great care and don't rush anything. And that makes one feel very, very looked after. I've been staying in Parrot Ridge. And the wonderful thing about Parrot Ridge is the views are absolutely spectacular. And of course, it's right next to the hospital. You're only minutes away. It's a wonderful hospital. And that's why, after my first experience, I decided to come back again. Because I actually could have gone and had it done in the UK under the National Health. But I chose to come here because I'd had such a good experience the first time. I'm really looking forward to getting back, actually, because I have a new granddaughter. My first granddaughter, and she's absolutely adorable. And we've been doing FaceTime, and she recognizes me and she waves at me, which is really cute. I shall be singing her a song which my mother used to sing to me. Fairy tales will come true, it'll happen to you if you're young at heart. I've forgotten the rest of the words.